This time, we shall talk about the internet as an instructional tools. But before that, let me give some points how teachers use these tools for educational purposes. In the status quo, teachers are now using various educational technology tools to facilitate teaching and learning process, and also to augment students' performance. This will also alleviate time wasted by some instructors. However, this depends how efficient and effective the teacher can implement his or her well-planned lesson. In this topic, we shall give emphasis about the four subtopics. First, on the internet and education. Second, learning with computers and internet. Third, uses of internet and distance education. And last is uses of internet for authentic activities. Okay. In the internet and education, we shall first define what is internet all about. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks to serve billions of users worldwide. Okay? Also, internet is a network of networks that consists of millions of private connections, whether it be in a public, academic, business, and government networks of local to global scope that are linked by copper wires, fiber optic cables, wireless connections, and other technologies. The internet carries a vast array of information resources and services, right? Like the Facebook, the World Wide Web. It provides significant information that students or users can use in their specific activities or assignments in the classroom. Okay. Another is the internet supports popular services such as online chat, file transfer and file sharing, gaming, commerce, social networking, publishing, video on demand, and teleconferencing and telecommunications. Okay. Another is the internet work as an instructional tool. How? The internet can help both the teachers and the learners. Teacher uses the internet to add current details on his lesson, to check updates and changes regarding his subject matter. He may also use the internet through email to interact with his students. The students may ask questions that they cannot understand through chatting with their teacher, right? And of course, the teacher may extend his lesson by posting the subject matter on the internet, posting a video discussing his lesson, and then the students can view it on their vacant time or at home, anytime, anywhere, right? And then they can also send their researches on email, saving time and money. Of course, during transportation, the student can just send on email his or her requirements. Another, he can just search it through his computer, and for a second, he may even print it for the copy of his students. Another example, for the students, the internet is a very useful instructional tool to help them in their problems at school. If they don't understand the lesson of their teacher, they may seek the help of the internet, right? Usually and mostly, students search their assignments through internet because books is no longer the students can no longer scan those many books. They can just search through internet because internet can provide immediate uh, access to informations. Another, it makes their work easier and saves their time, for the internet can show information needed by just one click of the mouse. The internet is very helpful as an instructional tool as long as the users are well directed on using it. If it is being utilized as an aid in school. Okay, we have here photos that learners are accessing the internet. Learning with computer and the internet. How students learn through computer and the internet. Of course, by clicking some icons or hyperlinks in a computer, the computer itself will immediately react or respond on what the user is clicking. And of course, likewise in the internet. If we click hyperlinks, bold letters in the internet with underlines, it will immediately respond. It shows us the different informations that we need to get on it. Last is uses of internet in long distance education. The use of digital technologies for learning supports the education of adult learners and their teachers and extends educational opportunities to reach new groups of students. For example, online courses offered by some educational institutions. Yes. Such as UP in the Philippines, they are actually offering online courses. TESDA. Another, digital technologies for learning, such as self-paced learning modules, multimedia case studies, simulations, video tutorials, and communications and assessment tools can increase the array of learning opportunities for adult students and their teachers. Another last is the using internet in authentic activities. First is as a tools for communication. Of course, like for example, Facebooks, okay, internet connections, we actually communicate other people in the internet. Okay, like for example, email. You can just send email to your friends, to your classmates, to your teachers. Okay. Second is as a tools for inquiry. In a computer, in the internet, you ask questions, right? And the computer can immediately react what is being asked. And then 3, as a tools for construction. You construct your own web page. You create or construct your own ideas and then upload it in the internet. That's all. And then we have here the references. Thank you for listening. Thank you for viewing this presentation.